What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a super quick wig install with a headband wig. I've never had a headband wig before, but they seem super easy to install. So the wig that I'm going to be using today is by Her Given Hair, and I already took it out. It was packaged really nice and cute, and I got a 16-inch Kinky curly, and it came with a scarf that you can put on there. Of course, I don't have any of it in the bag. I already took everything out of here, so this is where the wig is from.
When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real. When I opened up this box, when I opened up this box and I seen that this hair was only 16 inches, I was a bit disgusted, but it looks so natural. It took me 6 seconds to install it. Like, the air dry, it do shed a little bit, but I expect that with curly hair.
House in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
I'm letting die and the low things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me.
All right, you guys, this is the final look. I'm actually obsessed with it. I would probably, if I was to get another one, I would probably want it to be a little bit longer because I like big long hair, like kind of like my natural hair. But this is super cute. It's so soft, and it literally only took me like 20 minutes to do it. The longest process was defining the curls. That was the longest process, but it looks super good. I think it looks very natural, just like natural hair. It's so soft and it's super freaking convenient. You guys know I've been in the gym, and 9 times out of 10 I really don't be knowing what to do with my hair. So this is super cute because you could do like, you could do some different styles with this.